Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we are solving applied thermodynamics by McConkey. Uh, Problem 4.4. So, problem 4.4 is a rigid cylinder containing 0. Rigid cylinder mean that this is constant volume process. Rigid cylinder mean that volume is constant. Volume is a constant. So V1 हमें गिवन है तो V1 इज इक्वल टू V2 इज इक्वल टू V इज इक्वल टू 0.006 क्यूबिक मीटर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. मोलर मास इज 28 किलोग्राम per kilomole. At 1.01 initial pressure is 1.04 bar and T1 initial temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. In Kelvin it is 288 Kelvin. At 273 is heated reversibly, process is reversible until the temperature is T2 is 90 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 90 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 263 Kelvin. And calculate the change of entropy required. Number 1 is 2 minus S1. Calculate S2 minus S1. Heat supplied and draw the process on TS diagram. And gamma for nitrogen is 1.4. Assumption is that nitrogen is perfect gas. Assumption that nitrogen is a perfect gas. It means that we will use perfect gas equation. So first we find S2 minus S1. First we draw TS diagram. This is perfect gas. So temperature in degree centigrade and entropy in kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So initial temperature T1 is given to us as 15 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 288 Kelvin. Final temperature T2 is given as 90 degrees centigrade, is equal to 90 degrees centigrade. This is constant temperature line and process is constant volume. Let's suppose font 1 will be here, font 2 will be here. So constant volume process is such like this. This is constant volume process from 1 to 2. This is TS diagram. Now we find S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 is equal to mCV natural log of T2 minus T1. So for this we will find M and CV. So CV is equal to R divided by R minus gamma divided by R minus 1, and for that we find R. So R dash is equal to molar gas constant divided by molar mass. The value of molar gas constant is 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin, and molar mass is given to us as 28 kilogram per kilomole. This kilomole will be cancelled with kilomole, so answer of R will be 0.2969 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So round this to 0.297 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now CV is equal to R divided by gamma minus 1. The value of R is 0.297 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Gamma is 1.4. minus 1. So this is simple calculation, which is equal to 0.7425 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now we can find M, as we know that P1 V1 is equal to MRT1. So this implies that M is equal to P1 V1 divided by RT1. Putting values, M is equal to P1 is 1.04 bar, and 1 bar is equal to 10 power 5 Newton per square meter. V1 is equal to 0.006 cubic meter, which is given to us, divided by R is equal to 0.297 kilojoule. Kilo is equal to 10 power 3 and joule is equal to Newton meter per kilogram per Kelvin. Multiply by temperature is equal to T1 is equal to 288 Kelvin. So this Kelvin will be cancelled with this Kelvin. Meter and meter, per meter square and per meter. This meter cube will be cancelled with this meter cube. So M is equal to Newton will be cancelled with Newton. So per kilogram and double division here will be equal to kilogram. And simplify this 1.04 multiply by 10 power 5 multiply by 0.006 and divide by these values. So the mass will be equal to 0.00725 kg. 0.00725 kg, and if we round this, so this will be equal to 0.073 kg. This is mass. Now we can find S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 is equal to mCV natural log of T2 divided by T1. M is equal to 0.0073 kilogram. The value of CV is 0.7425 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and natural log of T2 divided by T1 363 Kelvin divided by 288 Kelvin. This Kelvin will be cancelled with this Kelvin, and this kilogram will be cancelled with this kilogram. Final unit will be kilojoule per Kelvin. First find log of natural log of 363 divided by 228 and then multiply by 0.7425 and then multiply by 0.0073. Then S2 minus S1 will be equal to 0.00125 kilojoule per Kelvin, and answer is positive. This means this is increase in entropy. Increase in entropy. Now we find heat supplied. So Q is equal to mCV for a constant volume process for a perfect gas. mCV T2 minus T1. The value of M is 0.0073 kilogram. The value of CV is 0.7425 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and 363 Kelvin minus 288 Kelvin. So Q will be equal to multiply 0.0073 with 0.7425. The answer will be 0.00542 kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. So this will be kilojoule per Kelvin, and 363 minus 288 is equal to 775 Kelvin. This Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin. So Q is equal to multiply these two values. The answer will be 0.4065 kilojoule, and if we round this, the final answer will be 0.407 kilojoule, and the answer is positive. It means that this is heat supplied, and hence problem 4.4 is solved. And for more lectures, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.